Hi, my name is Chris Mazzi. I am an intern strength coach with Montana State University. We're here to talk about linear and lateral mechanics. Linear mechanics using the PAL system stands for posture, arm activation, and leg activation, where PAL for lateral mechanics stands for push, keeping athletic base, and keeping a low center of gravity. What we mean by push is keeping a positive and a negative shin angle. So you can see that if you have a shin angle like this, you're not going to be able to get much force out of your leg that way. Or if you have a better positive shin angle, you get a better push in that opposite direction. We want to talk about getting a good athletic base, not being out too far, but also not being in too narrow. Okay, so you keep a good athletic base. Now also you want to keep a good low center of gravity. Okay, when you're standing straight up, again, we're talking about those shin angles. Those shin angles are really narrow. You keep a good athletic base, you keep a low center of gravity. Those shin angles are better to be able to push and change directions. Couple of drills you can do is a T drill, to keep that low center of gravity. When you work on a T drill, you can always think about how low or what kind of shin angles you have and how you're pushing to change directions. Okay, so when you also think about keeping an athletic base, is that you want to keep your center of mass between that athletic base. A little bit of biomechanics, but it goes a long way in trying to increase speed off of this quickness through changing directions. Next, I would like to talk about linear mechanics. Linear mechanics stands for posture, arm action, and leg drive. Posture is something you want to think about when you think about a triple extension. So whether it's going to be in the ankles, the knees, and the hips, we need to get them all extended. So when you finish your run, you notice that you're standing straight up. But also at the beginning of the run, when you just try it out, you need to get that good triple extension. Okay, arm activation. Arm activation is really simple. All you gotta do is keep a good 90-degree angle. Move at the shoulders. Don't move at the elbows. Everything's at the shoulders. Keep everything cheek to cheek, and make sure that you're linear. Okay, everything's forward, not coming across your body or anything like that. Everything stays nice and straight. Last, the leg drive. Leg activity, leg drive, however you want to call it. It's most important because you need to get a good force, great flexion, and good drive, and a good ground reaction force through the ground. Okay, that compared with the opposite arm, opposite leg, the drive will help propel your athletes faster. Thanks, that's all I have.